Hi, howdy, hello, and welcome to Microbial Sector, where you play as a lifeform analyzer trying to analyze lifeforms, I guess. I don't know all too much. Let's get into it and just do the things that we need to do. Hello, bug. Flashing lights, loud noises, and jump scares. Scheisse. It's your first day on the job. Not much information was given about it, but you really need the money. Okay, hello. Elevator. Well, I don't like that. Sixth floor. Okay. In 8283, Amoeba australis are small, translucent organisms shaped like water droplets with a bioluminescent, star-shaped structure inside. These fascinating protozoans glow gently and are typically found on planet surfaces in moist, humid environments. Their presence indicates a healthy, organic, rich habitat. Tardigrade, more commonly known as water bears, are microscopic water-dwelling organisms renowned for their resilience. These tiny creatures can survive extreme conditions, including high and low temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Tardigrades are found in diverse environments, from deep oceans to moist moss on forest floors. They are studied for their potential applications in biotechnology, such as understanding extremophile biology, enhancing stress resistance in crops, and developing new materials. Their presence can indicate habitat health and moisture levels, making them valuable bioindicators. Tyrophagus putrescentia, commonly known as mold mites, are tiny, translucent mites that thrive in high humidity environments. They are often found in areas with mold or decaying organic material. Mold mites feed on fungi and mold, making them common in damp or water-damaged spaces. While generally harmless, their presence can indicate underlying moisture issues and can contribute to allergy reactions in sensitive individuals. Acarus ferruginous, commonly known as rust mites, are tiny mites characterized by their reddish-colored bodies and 8 legs. These mites are typically invisible to the naked eye, though fully grown specimens may appear as small red dots. Rust mites are often found on metallic surfaces where rust is present, as they feed on oxidized metal. The presence of rust mites is a sign of high humidity and ongoing metal degradation. Micros radiatus, more commonly known as radiant microbes, are small, glowing microorganisms that emit various colors. These microbes are often found in environments with high levels of genetic modifications or environmental contamination. The vibrant bioluminescence of radiant microbes make them easily recognizable. They are frequently studied for their potential applications in biotechnology, such as serving as bioluminescent markers in research, monitoring environmental changes, and exploring new medical diagnostic tools. Their presence can indicate significant changes or disturbances in their habitats, highlighting areas of interest for further research. Luminifera filiformis, more commonly known as phosphor tendrils, are slender, glowing tendrils that emit a bright green light, typically found growing on dead trees and bark where they anchor themselves in decaying wood. The bioluminescence provides faint, eerie illumination, creating a mesmerizing display. They're studied for potential application in natural lighting biotechnical research. Mucorheliocyclus, species of fungus characterized by its unique radiating spore pattern. The image displays the distinct circular structure of the sporangium, which exhibits a sunburst-like appearance with elongated striations emanating from the center. This fungal species belongs to the Microbial order and is commonly found growing out of stems from plants and flowers. Its distinctive morphology makes it easily recognizable under a microscope, aiding in its identification and study in mycological research. Aphidoidea, more commonly known as aphids, are tiny insects, typically measuring between 1 to 3 millimeters in length. These small, soft-bodied insects are typically found on a variety of plants where they feed on sap, using their piercing, sucking mouthparts. Aphids are often green, but can also appear in colors such as black, brown, or red. They reproduce rapidly and can cause significant damage to plants by stunting growth and transmitting plant diseases. Aphids are frequently studied in agricultural research due to their impact on crops and their interaction with plant defenses and natural predators. Lichens are symbiotic organisms composed... Okay. Lichens are symbiotic organisms composed of a fungus and a phytosynthetic partner, usually algae or cyanobacteria. Lichens are found in a wide range of environments, from forest floors to arid deserts and even on rocks and tree bark. They vary in size and shape, often forming crusty, leafy, or branching growths. Lichens play a crucial role in ecosystems by breaking down rocks into soil and providing food and habitat for various organisms. They are also indicators of air quality, as they are sensitive to pollution. Lichens are frequently studied in environmental science and biology for their unique symbiotic relationships and ecological significance. Drosophila melanogaster, more commonly known as the fruit fly, is a small insect that is easily visible to the naked eye when observed closely. Fruit flies are typically found around ripe or decaying fruit and other organic matter. They are characterized by their red eyes and tan-colored bodies. Fruit flies are extensively used in genetic research due to their short life cycle and well-understood genome. They play a significant role in studying inheritance, gene function, and developmental biology. The presence of fruit flies often indicates fermenting or decaying organic material in the vicinity. Ankylostoma duodenale, more commonly known as the hookworm, is a parasitic nematode that infects the intestines of humans. Hookworms are small, measuring about 7 to 13 millimeters in length, and are characterized by their hooked mouthparts, which they use to attach to the intestinal lining and feed on blood. Infection occurs through direct contact with contaminated soil, often when walking barefoot. Symptoms of hookworm infection include anemia, abdominal pain, and weakness due to blood loss. Hookworms are frequently studied in parasitology and medical research due to their significant impact on human health and their role in tropical diseases. Vitamorph mutagen. Vitamorph mutagen is a recently discovered organism known for its translucent blue growths that infect animals and plants. These organisms feature elongated tentacle-like structures that draw nutrients from their hosts. Infection leads to rapid, unpredictable mutations in the host. Vitamorph mutagens' effects and life cycle are still largely unknown, making it a significant focus of ongoing scientific research. And I suppose that's what we were researching. Okay. I can't close the door behind me? Oh, okay, there we go. That was a lot of reading. Let me sip my water, my wawa. Okay. What do we got? Conveyor, button, keyboard, I think. Keypad thing. Keypad, screen. This is presumably the lifeform analyzer thingy. Instructions, what do we got? Welcome to your first day as a lifeform researcher. We are thrilled to have you join our team. Below are your tasks and instructions for operating the equipment. Press the arrow button to start the conveyor belt. Pick up the object that requires research and place the object on the platform with a cross. Scan the object using the button. Use the blank button to remove or put on the glass cover. Use the eye button to lower the microscope for a closer examination of the object. Okay. Interesting. Each life form has a code. Type the code into the keypad after scanning the object. If you don't see the life form in our system, type the in 0000 on the keypad instead. Pick up the object again and place it back on the conveyor. Then press the arrow button again. Okay. Well, it's either this one or the mutagen. I'll go 0214. No. I'll go the mutagen 9487. 9487. Send it off again. Okay, that's... Low. Okay. So it's a little star dude. I'm picking it up now. 8283. 8283. Dogs. Okay. I think I know what this one is. It is this stuff. 2917. 2917. Enter. Well, that one's obvious. Nine 487. Yeah. That's 5. 487. Yes. Damn, lunch break. Take one and pass the rest along. Break room. Delightful. love consuming my green sludge. Okay, I thought I heard breathing. Well, I don't like that. That can't be a good sign either. Is there anything on the rock? No. It's probably the rust mites. Whatever those code is. 5290. Actually. Oh, you can turn it around. Come on. Might actually be those. Well, off you go. Ah. Terraria glowing mushroom moment. Go back down here. Well, that one's obvious. Oh, 0214. Ugh. Janky things. Yep. Send it off. A bit of rusty metal. Yeah, that's probably one of those mites. Okay, so that's what to look for. 5290. I really don't like that there's a sprint. What the hell is that? What the fuck? I don't like that. Damn it, okay. into the ominous room with the blue stuff. Turn the power back on. Hello, kitty. Oh, I don't like the dramatic ass music. Why am I going down? There's more blue. Oh, that's a dead guy. Jesus Christ. The creature latched onto your face, and as your vision blurred, you felt your body begin to change. Okay. Well, that was Microbial Sector. I've seen there are multiple endings to this game. I guess that was bad ending, maybe? Perhaps? I'm not sure. Okay, mutate ending. Your body's changing. Oh, so there's the endings. I'm not going to be covering all the endings in this video. I don't have time to do all that right now. So if you want to see all the endings, go somewhere else. Fuck you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and you made it this far in the video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all the things you do at the end of these videos. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you again soon, hopefully. Bye-bye.